Hello mga sadik, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a very good day because do you know why? Saudi Arabia opened its registration for COVID-19 vaccine. Pinoy Sadik! So, mga sadik, let's start. Download the Sehhaty application and do the registration. This is very simple and very easy. Okay, welcome mga sadik. Our target for today is are going to download the Sehhaty application and do the registration for coronavirus vaccine. So this is very important. Click on the Play Store. Type Sehhaty application. Then you have this Sehhaty Lean Business Services. Install. And it's already installed and downloaded. Just open it. So this is in Arabic. So for those non-Arabic people, just press English. So now we can understand. Welcome to Sehhaty. Let's go! We need to create account for Sehhaty. Just click create account. So in Sehhaty needs a mobile number, a common number, and your birthday. So type your mobile number, registered mobile number, then enter your common number, and your birthday. Select the year. And then press next. So we need to wait for the verification code from Sehhaty. So he said 5830. 5830. And then click next. So we need to create our password to protect our personal data. It must be at least 8 character long, must contain an uppercase character, must contain a numeric character. So let's try. Confirm. Create account. Then click create account. So I am done. I created my account now. So I can book coronavirus vaccine.